Ziggy may not look like any other cup, but its flat fit design is just as simple to use. Before using for the first time, we recommend sterilizing your cup in boiling water for 5 minutes. For regular use, soap and water will do just fine. When you're ready to use Ziggy Cup, wash your hands and sit on the toilet. Use your thumb and forefinger to squeeze the sides of the rim together. Then insert into your vagina back rim first. Instead of pushing it up like a tampon, guide it down and back toward your tailbone. Once the back rim is past your cervix, push the front rim up, tucking it behind your pubic bone. This will keep Ziggy Cup securely in place for up to 12 hours of leak-free protection. To remove, insert a clean finger into your vagina and hook it under the front rim. Pull slowly, keeping the cup parallel to the floor to avoid any messy situations. Then, empty your menstrual fluid, rinse, and reinsert. Once you get the hang of Ziggy Cup, you'll never go back to using anything else.